Okay.
Hello.
This is Paige and Molly here, and we're gonna be doing the airplane.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so I'll do it first. Okay, I'll do it first. Oh God, I hate this. It's scary. I haven't done this since I was like 5. Come on. I have to pee. This isn't gonna work.
What did you just say? I have a penis?
I have to pee. Yes, Paige. I have a
Go on.
penis.
You caught me, okay? I have a penis.
Come on. You look good. Scary. My turn.
Move the fuck out of the way!
Okay. I don't think you can do me. You're not strong enough. I am strong. You're not. You're a weakling. I'm strong. You suck. Oh my God. Are you kidding me? Oh. You were the weakest shit alive.
No, I'm not.
I have strong, healthy legs. You have nothing.
Bitch! Let's scrap! I'm not that tall, okay?
I don't care. I have stronger, better legs than you.
Get out of here!
You suck ass. As we can see, I'm stronger than Molly, and she's a weak bitch.
Just
Weak
my
bitch.
legs are short.